Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we're making crispy fried chicken. You can make around 16 to 20 chicken wings with this recipe, but you can also use chicken breast or drumsticks instead. Here's what you'll need: 1/4 cup of soya sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of 5-spice, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now mix everything together. For the batter, mix 2 eggs with a dash of milk and then mix 3 cups of self-raising flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Dip the chicken in the egg mixture and then into the flour mixture and repeat. The double coating will make it extra crispy. Heat up some oil and place the chicken in gently. Cook the chicken for around 7 minutes on both sides until they are nice and golden. When they're done, place them on a rack before serving. Dip them in your favourite sauces and enjoy. Thanks for watching!